preparing a surprise dinner.
Dad, do you think Mom will like the surprise dinner?
Of course, she'll love it. We just have to finish before she comes.
What time will Mom be home?
Around 7 o'clock, so we have 1 hour.
Okay, let's hurry then. What should we cook first?
Let's start with pasta. Mom loves it.
Yay! I'll get the pasta from the cupboard.
Wait, where did I keep the tomato sauce?
Is it not in the fridge?
Not here. Maybe in the other cabinet.
I found it, behind the cereal box.
Now, where's the pan?
I think it's under the sink.
Nope, that's where the cleaning stuff is.
Oh, it's in the drawer next to the oven.
Perfect. Good job, sweetie.
Thanks, Dad. I'll boil the water.
Careful, it's hot. Let me help.
Okay, you pour. I'll stir.
Deal. Now, where's the cheese?
I saw it earlier. Oh no, it's missing.
Did we use it for sandwiches yesterday?
Oh yes, but there's still a little left.
That's enough. Let's grate it.
I love grating cheese.
And I love eating it.
Haha, no eating before Mom comes.
You're right. It's a surprise for her.
Do we have garlic bread too?
Yes, it's in the freezer.
I'll put it in the oven now.
Great teamwork, kiddo.
I hope Mom is surprised and happy.
She will be. She's going to love this.
Best dinner team ever, Dad and me.
Subscribe for more.